Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful duo that can transform your outdoor cleaning experience, the Craftsman CMEPW1700 Electric Pressure Washer paired with the Flexzilla Garden Hose. We found this product online and have put the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's start by talking about the Craftsman CMEPW1700 Electric Pressure Washer. This is a cold water pressure washer that boasts an impressive 1,700 psi and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, powered by a 13-amp motor. With that kind of power, you can tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks around your home. Think of it as your go-to solution for cleaning driveways, patios, decks, and even your car. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is its easy-to-use design. It comes with a pressure washer gun that includes a soap applicator bottle, allowing you to easily apply detergent while you're cleaning. This feature is particularly handy for those tough spots where grime has built up over time. Additionally, the Craftsman CMEPW1700 is designed with organization in mind. It features onboard storage for the nozzle, pressure washer hose, cord, and wand, which keeps everything neatly in place when you're not using it. No more searching for that nozzle or dealing with tangled cords. Speaking of hoses, let's talk about the Flexzilla Garden Hose. This is not just any garden hose, it's a heavy-duty, lightweight option that measures 5/8 inches by 50 feet. Its unique hybrid polymer construction makes it extremely flexible and resistant to kinking, which is a common frustration with traditional hoses. You can easily maneuver it around your yard without worrying about it tangling or causing you hassle. The Flexzilla hose is also designed to be durable, featuring an abrasion-resistant outer cover and crush-resistant anodized aircraft aluminum fittings. This means it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use while still being lightweight enough for easy handling. Plus, it's safe for drinking water, so you can use it for watering your plants without any concerns. Now, who is this powerful cleaning duo suitable for? If you're a homeowner looking to maintain your outdoor spaces, this pressure washer and hose set is perfect for you. It's also a great choice for those who enjoy DIY projects or need to clean vehicles regularly. The Craftsman CMEPW1700 is user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned DIYers alike. In practical use cases, you can utilize the pressure washer for cleaning outdoor furniture, washing the siding of your house, or blasting away dirt from sidewalks. The soap applicator feature will make your cleaning tasks even more efficient, especially for tough stains. Meanwhile, the Flexzilla hose can be used for watering your garden, filling up kiddie pools, or even connecting to the pressure washer for a seamless experience. In summary, the Craftsman CMEPW1700 Electric Pressure Washer and the Flexzilla Garden Hose offer an exceptional combination of power, flexibility, and durability. They are designed to make your outdoor cleaning tasks easier and more efficient, ensuring that you can keep your home looking its best with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. If this video helped